Hey guys, welcome back to Aleciaathome. Today I'm coming with the Temu haul. Guys, I cannot wait to open these products with you. They were super affordable and budget friendly to any pocketbook.
Temu is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories. Temu offers site-wide sales with savings up to 90% off, free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days, plus $5 credits for late deliveries. If you haven't already, go ahead and download Temu app so that you can get your $100 coupon bundle for free. Then make sure to use my code down below in the description box for your $100 coupon bundle. And again, it's for all users and it is for free.
Guys, we have some Christmas decor, some homeschool classroom decor, so I'm super excited about that. As you guys know, I am a homeschooler, and you know that I love anything decor, anything interior design, any type of home decor and decorations. So since it's the Christmas season, you guys, I'm super excited to see what we got in the bag. We have about $140 worth of product. So without further ado, let's get straight into these bags. So this is one of the first items I have here. I love to decorate my pantry, you guys, and so this one I'm definitely going to put on my pantry door. Everything came super timely and packaged very secure. I went ahead and opened the bag, but I didn't open up every product, so I just want to show you all together with me opening up with you. So I got these cute little ornaments. You can either use them as an ornament or you can just place them on as a regular decor. You can just place them. I got 3 of these. That's how they came in a set of 3. One has a snowman and you can see the little light in there. Let me see if it works actually. It has a little paper, you just pull it out. Look at that. Super cute. I have to light them all up now. Hold on. So it's a little flock reindeer dartboard, and I can see us using this with so many different learning activities in our classroom. It has like a point system on here. This one's gonna be super fun. I can't wait to put this one up, and I will show you all our classroom how we decorate with this. You can see here how they stick on there. And then there's also a little hook for you to hook it here, just like so. Super cute. Next up, super cute, I got this set of socks. Aren't these darling? Here's the first set. Cute little reindeer socks, so we can all match on Christmas Eve and have our cute little socks on. These will be cute for stocking stuffers as well. This one has the little bear. How cute. And I must say, these are super plush, very thick, lush, and luxurious for the price. I can't believe the quality of everything that we have gotten so far. Love it. Close my eyes and pick something else. I love this. This is like Christmas. This is Christmas for me before the kids, you guys. I'm super excited. Okay. These are the little Christmas trees. It's a bag of like 10 Christmas trees. How cute. You can do a little snow forest decor thing, like on your bookshelf or whatever. I'll show you how I style these. Super cute. Okay, so this is a mat. This is gonna be for my bathroom area. I haven't decided. Maybe my bathroom, my guest bathroom, or my kitchen area. You can see it still has the same theme, and it just says Merry Christmas with the same checkerboard pattern. Very thick quality product. Anytime I find something that is just super cute or that I know that I can use that's going to give my kids a great experience at home, I'm definitely for that. And then to find it at an affordable rate, love it. So look at this one. This is a full Christmas tree. And it has the little patches on here, the little Velcro patches. It comes with all of the different little ornaments you can put on it. This is gonna be so cute in our classroom. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show the girls to put this up in our classroom. They're gonna have an amazing time putting this together. Like, look at all this, you guys. Honestly, $140, and I haven't even touched the brim of the bag yet. You're doing yourself an injustice if you have not gone to Temu to purchase some items. Just go and take a peek at the website. Use the coupon code and click the link in the description box. You are doing yourself an injustice if you are not using Temu. It's like a DIY kit. Super cute. Just plenty of activities. You just want to keep them busy, but you want to let them use their fine motor skills. Okay, back to the theme. This is, oh, how adorable. Look at this. Oh, for my little bakers. How adorable is this? It's an apron, and it's the same theme. I can't wait to let them wear this to make cookies. Okay, we have this cute little Merry Christmas sign. Super cute. These are napkin holders. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I absolutely love to decorate my dining room. And how adorable. Napkin rings that look like wreaths with little mulberries. Oh my gosh, so adorable. And it came in a pack of 6, 12, and 2 and 4. So you don't have to like get 6 of them or 12 of them if you don't need it. I really like that. Also about Temu is that they have the products, but they give you the choice to make sure that you can get only what you need. Or if you need a lot, you can get a lot. So I love that also. Here we go. More decor for the classroom. We're definitely going to be having a Christmas party, girl. And we are going to do photo booth and photo shoots and stuff like that. Their glasses. I'm gonna be real goofy and put these on. Let's see how they. Am I cute? You see what I mean? Just ready for Christmas. Love it. Cute is this? Look at this, you guys. I didn't order this. This is like a freebie or something. Super cute. It's the helium balloons. You can blow them up and just have them as, this is going in the classroom again. Like, Christmas is about to be lit, okay? I love it. Super cute. Okay, you guys, so these are super cute. You can use these, well, the way that I plan to use them, I'm gonna use these as with, okay, you guys, these are super cute. These are some little trays, Christmas and star. And the way that I plan to use these are along with my charcuterie board. I'm gonna put jams and honey and stuff like that in these little jars. Super cute. I'm being silly, you guys. I got this garland because I wanted something light that I could hang above my entrance door, because the other garland that I have is just too heavy, and I don't have one of those garland hangers just yet, which I will probably get one in the future. But for this year, I'm going to go ahead and use this one because it'll be easy for me to hang. It's super lightweight. It's still super cute, and it's my color theme. which is traditional Christmas color theme. It has these mulberries on them, and again, super affordable, budget friendly Temu. Love it. I did get them. Oh my gosh, I got them. I wasn't sure if I had got this or not, you guys. That's the other thing about ordering online, is because sometimes you get so much stuff for such an affordable price that you really forget if you got everything that you really desire to get. And you guys, I did. These are canvases. OMG. You guys, look how absolutely adorable these canvases are. Let's see what they all say. It says Santa Claus is coming to town. I can't wait to show you how I do this. It's so cute. So I got the kitchen towels. They also match. These are the kitchen towels. Same theme. And I always wanted to try these cute little branches. LED branches. How adorable is that? It's like the little fall trees. You can see it. You can just shape it any way you want, and then it has the LED battery box. I also got an assortment of pillowcases in the same type of theme, and so let's see if this is it. I'm not sure. This is the runner. You can see it here, you guys. Super cute. This is my dining room runner. I wanted to use this color also throughout the entire house, and so yeah, you have it. Super cute. Long. I think my dining room table is about 6 feet long, so this will fit perfectly. So here's my other rug. I've got 2 rugs, one to go in front of my sink and one to go in front of my stove. So this is the longer one, and you can see how long it is. These are the pillowcases. And you guys, if you're smart, you'll get pillowcases, and also just invest in some pillowcase inserts, and that way you can just switch out the pillowcase covers instead of buying whole pillows, decorative pillows, and just have all that. It just stores easy, and then just because I'm one of those thingy people, I like to switch out my pillowcases so often. This option works the best for me. So let's take a look. You see how big they are? I'm big on that. You can see that they have a zipper here. And it came in a pack of 4. Love, 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 love. Look at that beautiful red, crimson red. It's so pretty. This one, Joy. So cute. And then Let It Snow. That's it in that bag. But we have one more bag because I just told y'all about what I needed and I got it. So you know how expensive these can get anywhere else, right? Super affordable and budget friendly for a 4-pack of these inserts. And then here's a tip for you. Put these in the dryer and let them tumble. That's gonna make them get fluffy, and then you can do your chop.
So you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the link in the description box below and use the coupon code so that you can get your $100 special bundle coupon savings at Temu.com. Thanks again. Happy holidays. Stay safe. Stay blessed.